guys, I was wondering when you were gonna get here. As you can tell, today I'm gonna be doing a room tour. This video has been highly requested. It is something you guys have been wanting me to film since the day I moved in. So I've been working on my room for a year now, and I know that seems crazy because that's a long time to be decorating my room, but I truly have been waiting for the perfect time to film this room tour because it has to be perfect. Disclaimer, I know people say this, but I'm gonna say it too. I'm not trying to brag with my room. I personally really enjoy watching room tour videos, just seeing other people's room, you know, kind of take inspiration. Super proud of how everything turned out, and I'm so excited to show you. Bear with me with the lighting, but I promise it's gonna get a whole lot better. Walking into the hallway of my room, there's just like cabinets here. This is the door to my crib. This little like plant succulent thing is from Target, and I'm gonna make sure to say where everything's from because I hate when people like don't say where it's from. So I'm just helping you guys out, you know. I don't really have anywhere else to put it, so I just put it on my door, but I actually really like it there. And oh my god, it left a stain on my door. Okay, well, let's just walk in here. Don't be shy, guys. I do have to carry you guys. I think I have to carry you guys. Okay, I don't have anyone filming me, so I have to do this all by myself. Before we get started, I'm going to show you guys an overview of my room so you can see everything. So next to my door, this is what you see on the right side when you come in. It's know the section, but I kind of just redecorated it. Hi, Buffy. You guys haven't seen him in a long time. Instead of doing a full collage wall, I decided to do my own version and just put a couple of photos here, and these photos are like from Pinterest. And then I have this lamp, which is from Target. Gold, it's marble at the bottom, which matches the theme of my whole room. And at the bottom, I have some stickers here that says Fashion Baby. It inspires me to just wear whatever I want. This is how the bottom of the lamp looks like. Mirror is actually from TJ Maxx. It's this really cool like white and wood mirror to check out my fits. Yeah, this is where I judge myself every single day. And up here I have this sign, which is also from TJ Maxx. Most of my accessories in my room are either from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, or Ross. So this sign just says you, me, and the dog because duh. On the other side of my mirror, I have a new addition to my wall. I tried making the collage wall. I didn't know if I wanted to do the whole wall, but as I said before, I don't want it to be like too cluttered. So I just stopped doing a couple of photos. And most of these photos are from Pinterest that I printed out myself, or I got them from a magazine. So I also have some fairy lights. As you can tell, you can't see them from far away. But yeah, this is the first section of my room. Now moving on, I have this door which actually leads to my closet, and I don't know if I really want to show it. Here is the sneak peek of my closet. It looks really bad, so I'm just gonna close this back. I am super grateful for my closet, like having a walk-in closet. I've never had a walk-in closet before. My closet is kind of chaotic because there's so much stuff in there, just so much like random stuff. It's my new favorite spot in my room because I love how it looks. I love how the lights add a bunch of detail. If you're wondering, these lights are from Target. And this little like rug thing for my wall is also from Target. I don't know exactly where these two canvases are from. I stole these from my mom's room because
I love Audrey Hepburn.
I love this, and I love the message that it says on this one. Moving on, next to this I have this little like plant, which I'm pretty sure is from Michael's. Going to the bottom, I have my nightstand. Welcome to my nightstand. I love this nightstand so much because it has this like wood element to it, and it's also white, which matches everything else in my room. This nightstand is from IKEA. It's safe to say that all of my furniture is from IKEA. In my nightstand, I don't really know what to put, so it's kind of weird. I don't think people have socks in their nightstand, but I have socks in here. And then at the bottom, surprise, I have more socks, my fuzzy socks to go to sleep, and I have a couple of tights in here too. On my nightstand, I have this lamp, which is from Home Goods. So then I have this remote for my diffuser, and this is also from Home Goods. Then I just have this Clinique Happy hand cream, and then next to this I have my Galaxy Buds. so I just keep that there. And then I have this clock, which is from IKEA, and I have my water bottle, and I have this plant, which is from Home Goods again. That is it for my nightstand. So here's my favorite part of my room, which is my bed. My bed frame is from IKEA, and there's also storage underneath this bed as well. These two pillows are from Walmart, and then this pillow is from Target. Comforter is actually from Target as well, and everything like matches. White blanket is from Home Goods. Up here, as you guys know, I've had this since I moved in. So these are just lights. I bought some garland from Michael's. Two different ones, but I feel like it kind of blends together really nice. As you guys know, I have procrastinated so much to getting these two photos. It literally took me a year to find two photos to put in here because I'm so picky with everything. But I just recently found these photos and I love them. They fit my whole aesthetic in my room. They match literally everything in here. I have this like pink flower thing, and then I have that and sign. The frames were not included. The frames are from Michael's. I'm gonna leave the website in the description box below. It's called Desenio. So moving on to this side of my room, this decoration is actually from Target as well. And then at the bottom, my lights just continue all the way down, bringing you to this next area. Okay, so my tripod is causing me so many problems, so I think I'm gonna start filming it by hand. So this is actually from Ross. Yeah, so this is one of my first items that I bought when I got this room. This plant is from Home Goods. So then I put it in this thing. I don't really know like what this is called or where it's from because I had this at my old house and it was outside. My salt lamp is right here, CVS, and I love this thing. I wish I could put it somewhere like more noticeable in my room, but for now this will do here. So next to this part of my room, I have my humongous desk right here. Yes, I'm really lucky to like have a bunch of storage and to store everything in those drawers. This is where I do everything from editing to doing homework, doing my makeup. Everything happens on my desk. The way I kind of organize this is the left side is for my beauty and makeup stuff, and then the right side is for cool stuff. So we're gonna start off with this side. I have this lamp from Target. Put my small speaker there, and then I have this from Target as well. Actually, I think everything on here is from Target. So this first drawer, I have a bunch of pencils, markers, scissors, like all the writing stuff. And then in here I have some more markers, stickers, color pencils, all that. Here I just have pretty much everything and anything. A bunch of notebooks and just a bunch of random stuff in here. Down here I have a bunch of other random stuff. So yeah, you guys don't really want to see all that. So going back to this side of my room, I have some more books right here. I have my JBL speaker, the succulents from Target, and then this is from Marshall's, and then I have my favorite candle lit up right now. It's from Bath and Body and it's called Barcelona. Literally my favorite smelling candle. Then I have a crystal. I don't know where that's from. And this thing is from Target. And then this is also the same lamp from Home Goods. In the middle here, I just have my laptop, my hard drive, and these blue light glasses. Then I have this chair, which is from Home Goods, and this pillow, but it spins. It does everything a chair needs to do. So, and then starting out with the drawers again on this side, I have all my makeup in here, some highlighters and some eyeshadow palettes in here, and then got some lipstick and some other stuff, and then I have mirrors, facial sprays everywhere, and a beauty blender in there. This is my only cluttered drawer in my whole entire room. I just put a bunch of random stuff in here. And before I move on to anything else, I just want to show you guys the drawers that I have under my bed. This first drawer just has a bunch of school supplies in here. Okay, this side I have a bunch of bags, purses. I always keep my shopping bags. I don't know why, but I'm just weird like that. And I love it because then you can just cover it all up. And here I just have a bunch of winter stuff, sweatshirts, beanies, gloves, and you know, just a bunch of winter stuff in there. So yeah, I haven't opened this drawer in a while. Last but not least, the fourth drawer, I just have my stuffed animals and some extra pillows in here. So that's what was in all four of those drawers. And next we're going to this side of my room. Starting here, I have my TV, which is mounted on the wall. And then I have this clothing rack, which is from IKEA again. I showed you guys this before, but I just have some belts, my fanny pack, and the clothing that I think looks aesthetically pleasing with this room. And then at the bottom, I have some of my favorite shoes right now. Here I just have two totes. One is from Glossier and one is from Sierra Furtado Garage. And then I also have some fairy lights all throughout my dresser. Before I forget, I also have this rug, which I think it's either from Ross, TJ Maxx, or Home Goods. I'm sorry, but it's either like from one of those three stores. So then that brings me to this side of my room, which has my dresser, which is from IKEA, my cable box, some remotes there, and then this is the newest addition to my room. It is this jewelry earring rack organizer. I've wanted these for such a long time to store my earrings. I am a huge fan of jewelry and earrings especially. This is from Amazon. So here I like to do my hair in this mirror, and this mirror is from Target. I just have this garland again, which is from Michaels. So right here I just have my perfume stand. Then I have this shimmer spray, and these two things are for my hair. And then next to that I have this wooden thing from Michaels again, and then I just have a bunch of accessories. And then I also have this plant, which it's one of my favorite plants in here because it has a marble base, and yeah, that is from Home Goods as well. And then here I have this little thing. I don't know what it's called, but I actually DIY'd it a while ago, so that's why it looks kind of bad. And then to the left I have this frame that has my name on it, and I've had this since I was a baby. So yeah, it just says my name and the meeting and the origin. I have this grid thing, which is from Target, and I just have all my sunglasses on there. And then down here I have this little fluffy thing. I have this tray that has a bunch of stuff on it, so I have some more books in here, and then I have a plant, and then in here I have some more scrunchies. This box is actually from Joann's, which I really like. Then I have an extra battery for my camera, and that is it for my room. Alright guys, that was it for this room tour. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe below because there are so many videos coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!